Happy Saturday. Scott Davis here. I'm a realtor with 10 Oaks Real Estate in Tennessee. Today I'm hosting an open house in East Nashville in the South Inglewood area at 1600 Lytton Avenue. This is a brand new build with 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bath. It's got a rooftop bar, 2-car garage, modern interior, 10 minutes from downtown Nashville, 15 minutes from Opry Mills, convenient to shopping, restaurants, parks. It's amazing layout. It's beautiful. Let's go check it out.
I'm just never good enough. You struggle with the thought of giving up. He wonders if the fight is worth the pain. She's desperate for a love that will not change. We all feel the same. We don't wanna be lonely. We all wear the chains. Jesus, you are the only one who understands and holds the key. We all need your love to set us free. 'Cause you are the only. You are the only. I can't believe how weak my soul can be. You lose sight of who you are so easily.
That was 1600 Lytton Avenue in East Nashville. If you'd like to see this or any other property, please reach out. Let's connect. My email is below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.